Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your video uploading is stuck into your TikTok on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if your video uploading in TikTok is stuck into your device, there might be some common reasons that your video is not uploading into your TikTok. Let me show you what can cause that kind of issue into your TikTok. The first reason might be that you are not fulfilling the criteria that require to upload a video into your TikTok. As you can see here, your video must be in MP4 or WEBM format, and your video resolution have to be 720 by 2080 resolution. And your video also have to be less than 10 minutes and less than 10 GB in size. If you meet all the criteria and still can't upload the video, it might be because your video file is corrupted or your network connection is not working properly. So before uploading the video, don't forget to check the video file and network connection first. And after that, check if your video fulfills all these requirement and criteria, and then try to upload your video again. Then it might work properly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.